Hi, my name is Murget, and you're watching Fearless Beauty Makeup. I want to thank you so much for stopping by today. Now, I created this beautiful look for you guys, and it has all the rhinestones. It's definitely on that almost like a natural beat, but the rhinestone took it up over the top. If you're interested in this look, keep on watching. All right, so we're starting off with the NARS foundation in the color New Caledonia. I've already did my skincare off camera just to save some time. Now I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm using this mattifying concealer mixed with a dewy concealer, and it's like the best of both worlds, and I'm applying it to the skin, all the areas I want to be highlighted. Taking my time. You see me doing my nose highlight as well there. I'm getting above my lip, my chin area, and then I'm gonna actually go ahead and apply it right underneath the area I like to contour. It just brings the face forward. All right, that's me adding in that dewy concealer. All right, now I'm going in with my contour color. This one's by Danessa Myricks. It's a cream contour, and I love using cream contours. I find that it provides so much dimension to the skin, and it also looks really natural. All right, adding the contour to my nose. Now I'm blending out the highlight shade on the skin. And I'm using a damp beauty blender. Work it into the skin. Don't be afraid to get the eye area. You want to create an even canvas to start with, all right? I'm going to blend all the lighter shades, and once I have that finished, I will begin blending out the contour shade with the bottom part of the beauty blender. Oh yeah, that looks nice. All right, going to get that contour shade now. And take your time. I know it looks like I'm moving fast, but I'm just moving fast because I cut out some of this just to save some time. Now I'm actually going in to set the highlight with the Beauty Bakerie setting powder. This one is actually in the color called Almond. I love mixing the almond color and the color called Plantain together. I think it's just it looks so beautiful on the skin, especially if you're anywhere in that mid to deeper skin tone. Oh, it is beautiful. Now I'm dusting that away. I'm going with my Mineralize Skinfinish on the skin, dusting it all away. All right, now with the NYX eyeshadow primer, I'm applying the blush blunt to my crease. Now I'm going in with the eyeshadow. I'm using the P. Lily's base, and I'm using this nude color on my eye, and it has like a peach undertone, which I love. I'm taking a little bit of liner, smudging it into the lash line, and I'm going back in and blending it out with this burgundy color called I'm Into It. All right. Now we're going in with rhinestones. Yes, the fun part. Now the ratio is almost like for every 2 dots of glue, that's enough time for you to apply 2 rhinestones before the glue has fully dried. And basically I'm creating like almost like a rhinestone cut crease. I'm taking my time. And if you mess up, you can wipe it right away. All right, now I'm applying this black liner to my waterline and some lashes. Y'all, for some reason, this lash did not want to stay on, but these are so cute, and I was wearing them. All right, now I'm going in with my blush, and that color is in the color called Rose. It's a liquid blush. And I'm actually going to use that same blush on my lips. It is actually a 3-for-1. It's a liquid eyeshadow. You can use it on the cheeks and on the lips. And you see how beautiful it is? Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm going to take this look up just another notch then let me show you this. So I'm using the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil, and the color is called Tempest Lit highlighter that has like almost a champagne undertone to it, but I'm just in love. I'm in love, fully in love. And what I like about it is that if you want your skin to look luminous, you want to have this glow, and you want it to stay throughout the day, I love this product. It is stippling brush, and what I'm going to do is just work it into the skin really quickly, get it warm, and then from there I'm actually going to take it on the highest. So I'm going to take it around my eyes, in this highlighter area, and work it into the skin. And I'm kind of going in this outward motion. Take a little bit above eye here. And I'm going to go back in with my Beauty Blender just because it is fresh, so there's no harsh lines. I know I already put my other product down, so I just want to make sure they're kind of gelled together really beautiful. I'm not necessarily swiping through the product. I'm just going around the edges. This is going to give you this seamless effect. So let's show you that. Okay, yeah, that's looking nice. Take it and put it on my chest. Yes. So we will not waste any product. And what this is going to do is kind of give me this healthy glow. You see already? I'm already transforming right before your eyes, y'all. A little more here. This drama, and you see already how my skin has transformed right before your eyes. So if you want to take your skin up a notch, this video is not sponsored. I just want to share this with you guys. Go ahead and do so. And my name is Mariette. I truly enjoyed making this video for everyone today. And if you haven't already, stop playing. I already know you're fearless, so go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.